There you have it, 7 amazing ideas to create a stunning Halloween to Thanksgiving table that will wow your guests. From spooky centerpieces to elegant tableware, these tips will help you transition smoothly between the two holidays without starting from scratch. I hope this video gave you the inspiration you need to make your table the star of both Halloween and Thanksgiving. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more holiday decor inspiration and check out the description for links to all the products mentioned. Happy decorating! What are the key elements to incorporate into a Halloween and Thanksgiving table setting? The key elements for a stunning Halloween and Thanksgiving table setting are themed centerpieces, seasonal color palettes, and a balance between spooky and cozy details. Themed centerpieces. For Halloween, think pumpkins, spooky candle holders, and gothic floral arrangements. For Thanksgiving, incorporate gourds, wheat bundles, or a cornucopia as the focal point. Seasonal color palettes. Choose a color scheme that transitions from the eerie blacks and oranges of Halloween to the rich reds, golds, and browns of Thanksgiving. Balance details. Use table runners, placemats, and napkins that can easily switch from Halloween spookiness to Thanksgiving warmth by adjusting small elements like candlelight or themed napkin rings. If you're loving these ideas so far, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends for some inspiration. How do you design a table that transitions seamlessly from Halloween to Thanksgiving? A table that seamlessly transitions between Halloween and Thanksgiving incorporates versatile decor pieces that can work for both holidays with slight adjustments. Neutral base. Start with a neutral tablecloth or runner, which can be accented with either Halloween or Thanksgiving details. Interchangeable decor. Choose pieces like pumpkins or candle holders that work for both occasions, adding creepy touches like cobwebs for Halloween and swapping them out for fall leaves or acorns for Thanksgiving. Layered textures. Introduce textures like burlap, wood, and metallic accents that add depth and warmth, enhancing both spooky and cozy vibes. Drop a comment below with your favorite decor transition idea. Halloween to Thanksgiving, which one do you love decorating for the most? What are some unique centerpiece ideas that blend Halloween and Thanksgiving themes? Short answer: unique centerpieces that blend both holidays can feature seasonal elements with a twist, such as Gothic harvest displays or spooky autumn floral arrangements. Pumpkin cauldrons. Use hollowed-out pumpkins as cauldrons for Halloween, filling them with dark flowers, and later replace them with Thanksgiving-themed floral arrangements. Gourd lanterns. Create a centerpiece of carved gourds with autumn leaves for a cozy glow, adjusting the designs from Halloween-themed carvings to simple harvest patterns. Candle holders with dual use. Gothic candelabras for Halloween can be transformed into elegant Thanksgiving candle holders by adding fall wreaths or autumn foliage. Save this video to your playlist to revisit when you start planning your fall table decor. Link is in the description. What lighting works best for a Halloween and Thanksgiving table setting? Lighting sets the mood for both holidays, so focus on adjustable lighting options that can go from eerie to cozy. Candlelight. For Halloween, Use tall black candles or lanterns with flickering lights for a spooky atmosphere. Transition to white or orange candles for Thanksgiving, adding warmth and glow. String lights. String orange or purple lights around your table or centerpiece for Halloween, then replace them with warm white or golden tones for Thanksgiving. Dimmed overhead lights. Install a dimmer switch for your dining area lights to adjust the ambience easily between the holidays, going from haunting shadows to a soft, inviting glow. Want more table decor inspiration for your next event? Be sure to check out the similar videos linked in the description. How can you set the perfect place settings for both Halloween and Thanksgiving? Perfect place settings for both holidays involve incorporating seasonal motifs, creative plate settings, and personalized elements that enhance the holiday spirit. Use Halloween-inspired napkin rings, like mini skeleton hands, that can easily be swapped for Thanksgiving-themed rings featuring leaves or acorns. Creative plate settings. Layer dark, spooky plates for Halloween with gold or copper chargers that also work for Thanksgiving. Transition by changing accent plates from eerie designs to harvest themes. Personalized elements. Add name cards shaped like pumpkins or leaves, which can be spooky for Halloween and more rustic for Thanksgiving. If you're getting some great ideas, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any more home decor tips like this. What is the best way to organize your table decor for both holidays without overwhelming your space? Organizing your decor involves using layered elements, strategic placement, and making sure not to clutter your table with too many items. Layering decor. Use layers of decor like table runners, plates, and centerpieces to build a theme that you can adjust for both Halloween and Thanksgiving without overwhelming the space. Strategic placement. Keep the decor confined to certain sections of the table, like the center, leaving space for functional items like food and plates. Balanced aesthetic. Ensure a balance between themed decor and practical tableware, avoiding overcrowding by using only a few key pieces that can be switched between holidays. If you love the decor in today's video, make sure to check the description for product links to recreate this look at home. How can you incorporate natural elements in your Halloween and Thanksgiving table decor? Incorporating natural elements like pumpkins, leaves, and flowers is an easy way to create a stunning seasonal table. Pumpkins and gourds. Small pumpkins and gourds can double as Halloween decor when painted black or carved, and can also work for Thanksgiving by keeping them natural or painted in earthy tones. Dried leaves and flowers. For Halloween, add a spooky touch by using dark, dried flowers and leaves, which can be replaced with bright autumn foliage for Thanksgiving. Wheat and acorns. Wheat bundles and acorns add a rustic feel that works for both holidays. Accent them with spider webs for Halloween, then swap for pine cones and cranberries for Thanksgiving. Don't forget to check out the product links in the description for all the items used in this video. So there you have it. Whether you're hosting a haunted Halloween gathering or a heartwarming Thanksgiving feast, these table setting ideas are sure to impress your guests. By carefully selecting versatile decor, lighting, and centerpieces, you can seamlessly transition from spooky to cozy without needing to completely overhaul your table. Ready to start decorating? Let the magic of the season inspire your creativity and make your holiday table a masterpiece.